Hello, hello everyone. We are finally getting started. This is my first time, so don't hold my bloopers against me. I'm gonna skip editing and all that good stuff, so I'm gonna get started. Just let you guys know what I'm eating. I'm gonna have black tiger shrimp, king crab, snow crab, eggs, potato, corn, and cucumber. I am not a fan of cucumber, but I keep seeing them in mukbang, so I wanted to try it. It looks so good when they are being dipped in the sauce. So there we have it. I also have Remy and lemonade. I am a huge fan of eating pretty mukbangs. Sherika, they made it cool to do mixed drinks and things of that nature on YouTube, but I also have my water because I have B-Love's spicy sauce. And I'm gonna need something to tone that down. So let's just get started. I'm excited. My shirt, I mean, it is what it is. Kind of classy, kind of hood. That's me to the T. So, for those of you, I know the people who are watching pretty much will be the people who know me, but if it comes across you and you don't know me, my name is Anna. I am a mother of three, a single mother of three. I'm a stay-at-home mom and an independent contractor. I don't know what else to say, y'all. I'm just ready to eat. So, hence, my channel name is Mommyauna because that's my whole life revolves around, other than food, my children. So yeah, that's where that came from. I thought it was cute. I hope y'all do too. So let's dig in. I don't have one of those fancy microphones, so I'm not sure if you all will hear chewing and all of that, but you know. And I have my trash can right behind me. Well, right next to me. So, Snow Crab wants to give me grief already. Also, I have plain butter. I am not big on boils. I'll eat boils. And boils are great, but I'm really a fan of plain butter. Especially when it comes to snow crab, because snow crab is really not big enough to drown in so many different seasonings. Plus, it's already naturally salty, so I really prefer plain unsalted butter when it comes to my snow crab. No way in the world I'm gonna eat all this, but I am starving. This is my first time eating today, believe it or not. I got up, handled a little business. Eggs might be my favorite part of the mukbang. Y'all see B-Love, she eats her shrimp with the shell on. I'm just not, I don't like sucking the shell. I don't even bite into my chicken. I tear my chicken off the bone. So yeah. But this sauce is hearty. Yeah, I see it. I'm kind of far from the camera. I would size y'all up, but you know. As I get used to this, it'll get better. I don't even know what we're gonna talk about. That sauce is good. I did good. Well, B-Love did good, but I did good too. Yeah, so anyway, there's no way in the world I'm gonna eat all of this. Mukbangers make a lot of food and put it on their channel for their next meal, the leftovers. Oh. I'm gonna slide y'all up a little bit. Y'all bear with me. So y'all can see. And yes, y'all this and y'all that, because I am from the South. I am a country girl, born and raised in Tuskegee, Alabama. And I don't care about anyone calling me country, because I am. Surely am. That made me who I am, and I am not ashamed of it. I love it. I wouldn't trade my childhood for anything in the world. I should have let y'all seen it before I started eating it, but whatever. Let's see if I can tilt it without making a mess. Whoa. I don't want to make a mess. There's hot water under there. Because I don't have one of those cool little steamers that all the other mukbangers have. Not yet, anyway. So let's take a king crab. I'm really not even in the mood for this. But I said I was going to go ahead and get some content since I have all this amazing seafood that I just bought. So I hope you guys are doing good. I am hanging in there. I just recently buried my father. For those of you who already knew that, y'all know what I'm dealing with. For those of you who don't, that's what I'm dealing with. I cannot stand that fatty. Big on seafood quality. Like, I will not just go in the store and pick up the first box of king crab I see, or when I'm in Publix, I know I must get on those people's nerve, because I'm like, when it comes to the snow crab, I'm like, can I get that one? No, not that one. That one, the one under, the one in the left, the one on the left in the back. Yeah, I'm that person. Yeah, baby. Being good in the neighborhood. Get a little onion down on the onion. That's good. That is so good. So, I have my lemon. Lemon makes seafood phenomenal. This is that bite. I guess I should have taken one of those pictures in the beginning. That's what Beloved does, honey. I love Beloved. Y'all know I do. Let me tell y'all, my mom started me with crab legs when I was about 5. Probably before that, but 5 is what I can remember. I'm an authentic seafood addict. Yup. I don't know why she started this habit, because it's very expensive to maintain. Ooh. So, as I was saying, for the ones who don't know me, if you run across my channel, single mother of 3, one that is 19, one that is 4, and one that is 2. Yep, I did that to myself. I sure did. I'm supposed to be in the Bahamas somewhere recording this. But I'm at home with my small children, and there's nothing wrong with that. I wouldn't trade it for the world. However, if I could do it all over again, I probably wouldn't have but one. But they are the best. I love them wholeheartedly. I'm going to wrap this up because I'm not a professional. And I am already at 12 minutes. And as a first timer, I should really keep it around 10. I'll have my last couple of bites, and we're going to say our goodbyes until next time. And next time I come back, I have something to talk about. I'll sit down and there are topics I want to discuss, like relationships and parenting, single parenting, parenting in a relationship, why I'm not in a relationship anymore. Y'all gonna love that one. People want you to discuss your business so bad. Well, I hope that y'all are happy when y'all are a part of that discussion. Yeah, I got a lot to tell. I really have a story. I should write a book, but since I have a channel, I'll say it here. Excuse me. Now excuse my nails. I'm not one of those fancy girls. I don't do fake nails. I put a little color on them from time to time, but I keep my toes painted. But oh yeah, let's try this cucumber. I'm gonna be real if I like it or not, because I'm not a cucumber fan. So I can't get with that taste. I'm sorry. Now I have some of that Tajin sauce, or however it's pronounced. Maybe I need to try that. Well, that's gonna be. Oh, let me try another picture for the video. Maybe I should do this one. Well, that's gonna be it, y'all. I just wanted to do a little introductory video and kind of break the ice and start working on my content. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Stay positive If there is anything going on in your life that's stressful, strenuous, pray about it and let it go. It's easier said than done, I know, trust me, because I'm going through a lot right now, but I still like to extend, you know, positivity as much as I can. I know a lot of y'all follow me on Facebook, they be like, this girl is crazy. I just speak my mind. I'm going to speak my mind. Nobody's going to stop me from speaking my mind. I'm going to say what I want to say, but it's always going to be real. It's going to be 100% authentic. How I feel, and it's just that. And if you don't like it, you know, delete me. Don't look. Close your eyes. Unfollow. That button is right there. And people act like the button is not right there. Just admit it. You don't want to unfollow. You like it. It's intriguing. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. And for real, I'm full. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I don't even want no more. And this is a lot of food. Jordan has a seafood allergy, my oldest, so she really can't. And she developed the allergy because she used to eat seafood with me as a little girl. Crab legs and all that, but she had a crab leg the other day and she was fine. So I don't know what she got going on. But anyway, you all take care. It's been fun. It's been real for these 16 minutes and a few seconds. Y'all take it easy.